Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this eye look with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss collaboration with Morphe palette. I actually really do like this palette, and so yeah, I just realized I didn't even intro myself. Hi guys, I am Samantha. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click on the post notification. It has been a while since I last filmed, but I'm sorry. Yeah, it's been a while. So I'm back, and I kind of look really weird. Like, I'm looking at myself, I look really weird because I have like one complete eye and then one non. And so let's just get right into this. This is my palette. It's the Jaclyn Hill one, and it's the Bling Boss one because she has 4, and these are the colors for this palette, and they're actually really pretty. So I'm just going to show you how to do this eye makeup look. Okay, we're going to start off by using Hush Hush, which is this color. I'm just going to take some and use it as like a base color pretty much, and I'm going to put it in my outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it into my inner corner. And I don't actually like close my eyes when doing my eyeshadow. I'm like really weird like that. Like, I don't really close it when I'm doing the crease. I don't know if anyone else does it like that, but I just, yeah. Okay, so then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take Rockstar, this one. I'm just lightly tapping it because I don't want too much. I'm going to start by placing it on top of the inner corner Hush, which like a little over halfway should be like this part, and then a little that type of thing, if that made any sense, which I highly doubt it did, but if it did, yay. So yeah, I'm taking that and I'm just blending it all together so it mixes. Next, I'm going to take Sparks, which is this one right here, and tap again, and then I'm going to place it a little more into my corner, so like right closer, like right about here. And I'm just gonna pat that, and then I'm going to take my blending brush and start blending that all around again. And now that I have that done, I'm going to take my other blending brush, which is a like there's more, like if you look at the difference, they're definitely different, but it's another type of blending brush, and I'm just gonna take that and go over it pretty much. It's not much to go over, like, because it's all blended really well, but I'm just going to go over it anyway. And then I'm going to take Ballsy, which is this sparkly color right here, and I'm just going to take it with my finger. I don't know why, but the pigment for this palette, for all these palettes by Jaclyn Hill, and like for most, works best if you take your finger for the glitter color. I just feel like it always looks the best. I don't know why. And then I'm just going to pat it on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take more Sparks, and I'm just going to apply a little more on the inner corner and blend that with my finger a little bit, and then do a little bit more just because I really like the Sparks color. It's actually like my favorite. Hush Hush and Sparks are my favorite, and they give like a rosy pink. I love that. So that's why they're my favorite. Just taking the same one, and then we're gonna take, crap, which one was I gonna take? Okay, I was gonna take Rockstar, hold on. Okay, so Rockstar, and then place it on the outer under part. So like, I know my face is like really weird doing this, but whatever. And I'll go like to about here, and then take Sparks again because we love Sparks, and put it on the inner layer. Next, we're going to take our liquid eyeliner, Maybelline New York Line Ultimate Precise Liquid Eyeliner. So, okay, I am back. I finished my eyeliner. So yay. The last step I'm going to do for this look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, what color is this? Honey Matte Lipstick. This one. And I actually love this thing so much, and it's at the top of it. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to, this is the final look that I came up with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's really pretty and you can come up with so many different looks for it. And so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye.